You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to show you something very important on the BTC USD chart that you need to take advantage of. I'm also going to look at Shiba and beta price analysis. In my previous video, I told you I'm going to tell you where to buy beta finance at, and we've been waiting for the market to go back right down. So I think and I feel this is the right time to buy. I'm going to show you that chart as well in a moment, so stay to the end of the video. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please help subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Let's grow the channel fast. Then if you are new to the channel, you can check it out. There are other informative content that will help your trading methods. So let's dive right in. Right here on BTC USDT chart one day, we've been doing analysis about this market going up and then going down as well. And then right here, I found out something very important on the 1 week chart. I am still very much bullish on the BTC chart right here. Now, something very important you need to take note of is this. You see, this market is an indication that the bulls will still push the market very hard to the upside. We see on the 1 week chart right here, you see the candle, this very candle right here, close above every other close in this very area. So I am looking at this very region right here. You see this candle here, close above this close around this area. So this candle is an indication that the bulls were able to close above every other close within this very particular region of this resistance level. So that is very important, guys, to us. So once we see this happen, that was yesterday, I was very much optimistic of Bitcoin go far way up to our first target of $68,000 right here. Okay, so that is very important. So this should give a little bit of confidence that the bulls were able to push the market to close this very candle above every other close within this very level. So that's very important, guys. And what you need to do with that very particular information is you have to look out for some kind of pattern on the lower time frame. So if I go back to 1 day here, we see something that looks like this very rejection candle right here, and then the market is trying to push back up again. So bulls are not tired and they are not willing to give up in this very battle, and they are willing to move the market to the upside. That is what I just find out on this very chart right here, BTC USDT. Right here on Shiba USDT chart, I talk about you guys placing a trade at this very level here. I talk about you placing a trade around here, and if you did according to my previous video, you should be in profit right now. So we see the market go back right now, but I was very sure of the market not crossing this very rejection candle, and we see the market reject again with this very candle right here, and then we see the market go back right up. So this was a resistance, and the market is obeying this very resistance right now, and we see this other very strong resistance as well. The reason why altcoins are not doing well recently is because of the recent BTC move, and after every Bitcoin move in the market, then altcoin season will always follow it. So I'm going to show you the chart right here and we'll look at it together. So what are you going to look out for on this very particular chart right now is the market can possibly come back right down, and at this level is another good point to take your entry as well. Now, when markets come to this area, please don't take any trade except you see a significant breakout to the upside. That is only when you want to take a trade right at this very point, this very resistance level right there. Else, if markets come back right down to this level, this is another point to take a buy position. I'm going to show you as well on this very particular channel. So follow up the video on the channel and know at the right point you want to enter your trade. And ensure when you are taking these trades, ensure you place an ideal stop loss, and you can use the ATR to define where your stop loss should be at a very nice location so that you don't get humped in the market. So conclusively on this very chart right here, markets should go right down up to this very level, this very area right here. Then this is another good point to also take a buy position. If market goes up and you did not enter with us when we enter around this area, then please expect the market to break this very resistance. As it breaks the resistance, look for a bullish close above this very resistance level. before you can then take another buy position. That is for SHIB USDT price analysis. Right on this very chart, beta USDT, we've been waiting for the market to come back right now, and I also was looking for a nice volume before we also take a trade on this very chart right here. So I just find out that the market have already moved significantly with this nice volume. Not only that, I said in my other video that it is not enough to just look at technical. You have to look at some fundamental factor that is making price to move up, that is aiding the bulls to move the market to the upside. So I see a recent increase in 24-hour trading volume on this very chart right here on Binance. When I was doing the last video, it was about $65 million trading volume in the past 24 hours. And then if I go back right here and check the recent volume right now, you see we have about $151 million traded volume in the past 24 hours right here. And that is a very key tool for us to know that people are willing to buy at this very point with this recent pump right here. So if I go back right now to my full screen, in this very area, you will discover that this area is a nice place to start buying better finance right now. So what you do on this very chart is to take a position right at this point, and then your stop loss have to be not here, your stop loss have to be at this very level right here, okay, to protect yourself in case the markets go back right down, so that you don't lose much on this very trade. So the right point to buy right now better finance is at this very level where the market is right now, because we see a pump in the market to the upside, and then we see market come back down, and this area is like a retracement of this very pump right here, and market will soon go back up. And then your target should be this very point first, because at this point we see a rejection on this very resistance level, and then possibly when markets come back right up, we'll also see a rejection right there, because this is a very strong resistance level right from this area to this very point right here. And then when market is coming back up again, this will not be an exception to reject the market back down again. Then if you see a breakout of this very level, you look out for a bullish close as well before you can now take a trade for the market to move far way to the upside. So that is what you look out for, and this is where you should place your trade right now on better finance. Now listen very much, guys. Now if you are taking this very position, don't take in all your portfolio. I've seen a case where people, if they want to buy a coin, they put in all their portfolio in one very particular position. That is not ideal. You employ a good risk and money management strategy. So you have to use at most 10% of your entire portfolio to buy this very particular coin or less. Okay, so that is how you should take this trade right here. If you're not registered on Binance, OKX and crypto.com, check the link in the description of this video and do your registration right away. And if you want to enroll for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency Course and Mentorship Program, please check the description of this video as well, and you will see a contact and reach out to us directly and get properly trained on how to trade the cryptocurrency market professionally. And then please help subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to leave a like for this very particular video. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.